Welcome to the top picks. The best carbon fiber guitar is probably one of the most intriguing and innovative instruments to hit the music scene in decades, offering a unique blend of durability, tonal consistency, and modern aesthetics that appeal to a wide range of musicians. From seasoned professionals seeking a reliable travel companion to beginners looking for an instrument that can withstand the rigors of learning and practice without compromising on sound quality or playability. Number 5. Best Choice Products 41 inches Acoustic Guitar Starter Set. This is the ultimate all-in-one adult guitar kit. It includes everything you need to start playing right away, so no additional accessories are necessary. Whether you're just starting out or have been playing for years, this full-size guitar is an excellent choice. Its dreadnought shape delivers a beautifully warm tone. Take your instrument anywhere with the included carrying case. It's designed with protective padding and a shockproof bottom, plus storage for your accessories. Designed with a 41-inch body, this acoustic guitar offers a comfortable playing experience. It's ideal for both beginners and seasoned musicians. Featuring an elegant inlay and a cutaway shape, it allows for easy access to higher frets. The included pickguard protects the sound hole from scratches. What we like. This is the perfect starter pack for anyone looking to begin their guitar journey. It includes everything you need right out of the box, so you can start playing immediately. If you're a beginner who wants a hassle-free and complete package, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The neck is very stable and doesn't require frequent tuning. The sound is surprisingly rich and resonant, comparable to a high-end acoustic. It's incredibly lightweight, making it comfortable for long playing sessions. Number 4. Enya Inspire 39 Smart Electric Guitar. Discover the Enya Inspire, a revolutionary smart electric guitar. It seamlessly connects to the Enya Music app, giving you control over a vast array of tones and customizable presets. Experience unparalleled sonic versatility for any musical style. Enjoy the freedom to practice wherever you go with its powerful built-in 15W speaker. It offers hours of playtime on a single charge. You can also connect to amplifiers or use headphones for silent practice, making it perfect for any situation. Crafted from aerospace-grade carbon fiber, this instrument is exceptionally strong and resistant to environmental changes. Its carbon fiber neck and fretboard ensure a comfortable playing experience and smooth fret transitions. Equipped with professional features like a stable tremolo system and precise tuning machines, it's designed for expressive playing. Effortlessly switch between sounds with a single button, catering to both beginners and seasoned musicians. This smart guitar offers a complete solution for practice, recording, and performance. It comes with a protective gig bag and is backed by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, ensuring your investment is protected. What we like. Experience the future of guitar playing with this innovative instrument. Its carbon fiber construction makes it durable and resistant to environmental changes, while smart features offer endless sonic possibilities. If you're a tech-savvy musician or someone who wants a versatile practice and performance tool, this is the one to consider. What people say. The sound is surprisingly rich and full, with a clarity that rivals traditional acoustics. The carbon fiber construction makes it incredibly durable and resistant to changes in humidity and temperature, perfect for travel. The neck profile is very comfortable and allows for easy playing, even for extended periods. Number 3. Donner Hush Travel Guitar. Introducing the Donner Hush, the perfect guitar for life on the road. It's incredibly lightweight and designed to fit easily into airplane overhead bins, so you can always bring your music with you. Enjoy ultra-quiet practice sessions with its low decibel output, perfect for dorms or apartments. It delivers a natural acoustic tone through headphones or an external speaker, and the long-lasting battery ensures hours of uninterrupted play. Experience superior sound quality with features like noise reduction and feedback elimination for a purer tone. Customize your sound with the 2-stage EQ and volume controls to match your playing style. This guitar features an asymmetrical neck designed to reduce wrist fatigue during long sessions. Its beginner-friendly frets also help prevent finger cuts, making practice more comfortable. Never lose a tuning key again thanks to its hidden storage and anti-drop magnet design. This convenient feature ensures your tuning key is always ready when you need it for neck tuning or frame assembly. What we like. Take your music wherever life takes you with this exceptionally portable guitar. Its quiet operation and compact, headless design make it perfect for practicing in any environment without disturbing others. If you're a frequent traveler or a student in a dorm, this guitar is your ultimate companion for on-the-go musical expression. What people say. The carbon fiber construction makes it incredibly durable and resistant to changes in humidity and temperature, perfect for travel. Its lightweight design is a significant advantage, making it comfortable to hold and play for extended periods. The sound projection is surprisingly robust for its size, offering a clear and balanced tone across all strings. Number 2. Lava GENIE Stringless Smart Guitar. Experience a revolutionary way to play. Effortlessly select chords and create music with intuitive touch controls, offering customizable modes and fingerboard options. Unlock a world of music through the Lava Plus app. Learn thousands of songs with interactive guides or transcribe your own music using our AI-powered tools. Explore a vast library of high-quality instrument sounds across all genres, enhanced by AI. Personalize your experience by customizing the tap pads for unique creative control. Enjoy rich, full-range sound wherever you go with its powerful audio system. It's perfect for any setting and can also output audio to external devices. Take your music anywhere with its innovative foldable and detachable design. It conveniently fits into a custom travel case for effortless portability. What we like. Embrace a revolutionary way to play with this stringless smart guitar. It offers an intuitive touch interface and a vast library of instrument sounds, all in a highly portable package. If you're looking for a unique playing experience, want to explore diverse sounds easily, or need an instrument that's incredibly easy to transport, this is a game changer. What people say. The guitar has an incredibly stable neck, unaffected by humidity changes, which is a huge plus for gigging musicians. The sound projection is surprisingly loud and clear for its size, with a bright, articulate tone that cuts through a mix. Its lightweight construction makes it very comfortable to hold and play for extended periods, even on stage. Number 1. Pyle 3/4 Junior Size Acoustic Guitar Kit. Experience superior sound and playability with its 100% wood construction. Internal bracing ensures perfect intonation and comfortable string height. This 3/4 scale, 36-inch instrument is designed for younger players aged 7 to 11. Its comfortable size also suits adults seeking easier fingerings, all protected by a stunning glossy finish. Everything you need to start playing right away is in the box. It includes picks, a strap, a cleaning cloth, and a convenient carry case with backpack straps. Easily set up and tune your instrument with our free mobile app, available for iOS and Android. It offers guided setup and product care videos for a confident start. Begin your musical adventure with access to thousands of hours of online courses, exercises, and popular song tutorials. Learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. What we like. This guitar is specifically designed for younger players or those who prefer a more compact instrument. Its all-wood build ensures good sound quality, and the included app tuner makes learning to play much easier. If you're buying for a child aged 7 to 11 or an adult seeking easier fingerings, this is an excellent and accessible option. What people say. The guitar has a comfortable neck profile that makes playing for extended periods a breeze. The sound quality is surprisingly rich and resonant, with a clear tone that projects well. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to transport to gigs or practice sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.